Well, here we are, guys. We are at Riverfront Park, down from Marietta. Gonna do some bass fishing today. Staying off the canoe. Figure we fish from the shoreline, and we'll go from there. I think we're gonna start down here, this lower end, and we'll work our way up. We'll see if there's a trail down here. If I'm not mistaken, there should be a trail. Yeah, this is part of the new river trail they added a couple years ago. It goes all the way down to Marietta, all the way to Columbia, and it goes all the way up that way. So it's a pretty large trail. The weather's pretty nice, so can't beat that. Let's see here what we can get into. Now I've fished down here, but never on this side. So I've always fished off to the right over here. It's more open, probably a little overpopulated. This looks like a trail here. Let's see. Nope, I didn't think so. River looks nice. Let's just take this. Let's see where we're going. It's a good day for a walk. Aha, here we go. And I do not think I want to get in there. Strapped with rods on my back, so I gotta be mindful. A lot of dirt mounts. It must be the cicadas killers. Shit. Oh, hit my first tree branch. Yeah, I thought maybe there'd be a trail down here, but there isn't, so no big deal. It's a good day for a walk. Wow, there's a lot of bees. It's loaded down here. Must be what these mountains are for. Bees. Loaded, 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 loaded with bees. Yeah, that's what these are for. Alright, holy crap, I gotta dodge these. I ain't never seen so many. Here we go. It starts to open up here. It goes down. That's where I want to be. All right. Make sure I keep an eye out so I don't get stung. All right. So we're not going down that bank. So pretty much right there is where we want to go. Try that slack water. Hold on, you're at difficulties here. I'm not too sure what's going on with that. I have to look at it. As long as this pod's holding, we're all right. That might be something in there. We'll have to find out. Yeah, definitely could have parked down here. I was, like I said, I was thinking there'd be a trail, but there isn't. It's just overgrown. Huh. Alright, well, now we know next time. Oh, goddamn. There's a lot. Woo. That's the most I've seen. I thought back there was bad. This is really bad. Yeah, I think these are cicada killers. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Oh, goddamn. Okay. Well, we just hit a whole pocket. I'm gonna keep walking. Hopefully not get stung. Yeah, that's kind of scary. I mean, I'm not afraid of bees and yellow jackets and shit. Just I don't like getting stung as much as the next guy. Oh, man. All right. Well, we'll get the hell out of this grass, so we're not pissing them off. The rain must have drove them up. Yeah, we're not walking back there. No. All right. So we got our heater. Wet sneakers. Yay. That's fine. That is fine. So I think we'll just go left and then work our way down right.